if you're using xylitol for oral health, it's important to know that it works in two different ways. If you have some xylitol, mint, or a piece of gum at the end of a meal, that's going to stimulate some saliva in your mouth that's going to be highly mineralized and help to limit the acidic damage and also stimulate a healing, a strengthening of your teeth, which is a great thing to do at the end of every meal, snack, or drink. But if you have sufficient xylitol every day, and studies show that under 3 grams, you're not going to get this benefit. But if you're at around 6 to 7 grams a day, you will progressively be feeding the bacteria in your mouth, all of them, the good and the bad. But the strep mutans, the plaque bacteria, are unable to process xylitol. And they go into something called a futile cycle. And what really happens is they become less sticky. And so it's much easier to brush and rinse them off your teeth when you clean your teeth at the end of the day or in the and again in the morning. And this way you are progressively able to control the plaque bacteria in your mouth. And over a period of time, these plaque bacteria will gradually disappear. And by 6 months to 2 years, you should be able to so control, 98% was one of the studies done, these bacteria will be controlled and you will just stop having plaque and calculus forming in your mouth, which is a wonderful thing for oral health.